Hello, ninth graders. This video is for April 1st, 2020, Wednesday, and it covers the information for exercises 12.3 and 12.4. All right, so other uses for the period besides as an end mark. One use that we have for a period besides as an end mark is that we do not use periods after most abbreviations for government agencies and international organizations, including well-known businesses. And the examples here are FBI and IBM. These used to get periods years and years ago. Mrs. Shoemate remembers them very well with periods. But the rules have changed, and now we do not use periods for them. All right, and the last slide for today, this is a short lecture because, quite frankly, I think this section of information is quite simple. I believe your screen will say that there's a third slide, but that is actually misleading because I went to a third slide, clicked on a third slide, but did not use it. So, last slide for this lecture. English abbreviations require periods. Metric abbreviations do not. All right, we in America use English. So if an abbreviation looks familiar to you for a word that we normally use and you see on things in America, then it should have a period after it if it's abbreviated. Most of the rest of the world, if not all of the rest of the world, including Great Britain now, I believe uses metric. So, those abbreviations do not get periods. All right, here are examples. Nathaniel, that's my baby, was born weighing 7 pounds lbs, period, 8 ounces, OZ, period, and measuring 22 in inches, in period, long. All right, so all of those pounds, ounces, and inch abbreviations get periods. However, here's one that has English and metric. Okay, did you know that 1 kilometer, okay, km is the abbreviation for the metric word kilometer, and notice there's no period there, is equal to 5/8 of 1 mile. And no, there's not a period after the word mile there or the abbreviation mile. If that abbreviation were anywhere else in the sentence, it would have a period after it. But as you should know, and I believe you all do know, you do not put a period alongside another end mark, such as a question mark, as is seen here at the end of the sentence. All right, there are a few other rules on the next page, but I think they are all very self-explanatory. And when I say the next page, I mean on the next page in your textbook, which is on page 276. Please contact me with any questions. Have a great day.